Hey guys, what's going on? Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com. We manufacture self-growing planters that grow your food for you with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in a planter and they grow your food for you. These are our peppers. As you can see, they're yellow banana peppers, and we have the jalapeno peppers. And we're growing a lot of peppers. See, all we have to do is put our seeds and our plants in these planters and we're guaranteed to have food for the rest of our lives. We don't have to worry about it. Everything grows perfectly as it was intended with Torpedo Pot. So we normally harvest like about from a 16-inch planter. We can do about 100 of these little babies. 100, over 100. And they look beautiful, don't they? Man, see, I never water, I never feed. All I do is throw my seeds and my plants in the planter and they grow my food for me. I never ever have to grow my food again. And I get lots and lots of food. I mean, I've already harvested so much. I've got to harvest some more today. And so I wanted you to see before I start picking them what they look like. And they're beautiful. They're heavy. They have a lot of life, a lot of peppers all through my plants. Notice how you don't see any bug marks or defects within these plants. And the funny thing about it is that these plants will literally grow. Oh, there's a nice little red one in there. In these same planters, we grew 3 heads of corn in each planter. Each planter, we had 3 heads of corn. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I'm going to pick that this morning. I'm going to enjoy that for breakfast. That's beautiful. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter, and it grows your food for you. Never, ever have to grow your food again. And I'll get from one of these planters, I'll get about 300 of these jalapeno peppers, and over 100 of the banana peppers. Easily. As you see, they're growing tomatoes too. So we normally in one planter can do about 20-something tomatoes. But this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful, and I love it. I love it. That means that my food is secured for the rest of my life. Unlike the rest of you, I don't have to scrounge around for my food. I don't have to work hard to turn the ground over. All my food is right in front of me. All I do is come eat it and enjoy it. I don't have the problem you do. www.torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.